guys, we've just made it to Encounter Bay, and take a look at that. The water is glassy, there's no clouds in the sky, so I reckon it's just going to be a great day. Let's get into it. So it's literally been like 2 minutes since the last one, but reckon I found a pretty good place to put anchor and try and do some snorkeling. It's about 2 meters deep, and by anchor I mean literally a weight with some rope tied to it. Never tried this before, and yeah, let's see what happens. See if I can get myself in frame there. Don't know if this will work. Hopefully I won't lose my kayak, or someone will pinch it, hopefully not. But the water's a lot colder than I thought it'd be, so really wishing I brought my weddy now. But it's still crystal clear, so hopefully I'll go down there, see some fish for you guys, tell you what they are. That's what I'm going to go for with this channel. It's going to be just a bit of fun for me really, but also I want to teach you guys about some of the animals in my native area and stuff like that, so you guys are more aware. Now let's see if this works. There we go. I think I'm on the bottom, except I dropped it on the wrong side of the boat, which is fine. Losing my rope. There we go. Oh Jesus, I'm drifting fast. Alright. The quote-unquote anchor is in. This should stop it from going too far. Of course I got a 15-meter rope, so I'm going to drift quite a bit if I just tie it off at the end, but let's see what knot I can do here. Did Scouts, Joey's, Cubs, Ventures, all that shit. Can't tie a knot to save my life. Come on. I reckon I'm just going to do a simple granny knot. Just as long as it's strong enough not to float away. And then might do a cheeky clowfish with 2 bits of rope. You guys can't see this, but it's absolutely appalling what I'm doing. How you guys going? Sorry for the filming on the phone. My GoPro's actually died halfway through one of my dives. Just did a whole bunch of diving, didn't realise it wasn't recording. Saw some cool fish, stuff like that. I'm now probably a K away from all the shores, and I'm just going to pop the rod in and have a bit of the fish. That means no more snorkeling footage for today though, so I might still do a bit more, but you guys won't be able to see it, sorry. Next time I'll have to bring a spare battery, so lesson learned, I guess. Phew! Alright guys, I'm all packed up and stuff like that, didn't end up getting anything. And yeah, this video's probably going to be a bit shorter than what the rest of them will be, but I'm still trying to work out the GoPro and how long it'll record for, so forgive me for that one, and hopefully next time I'll get you a better video with more content and something that's a bit more enjoyable. Cheers guys. If you want to, like, comment and subscribe. Love to hear what you guys think about this and any tips and tricks you've got, especially because I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, hope that bit was a good one.